Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. That is why we cannot really manually change the date and time. It is because we are using those options set automatically. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers here. And now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date to the one we want to apply. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it with OK. We can also change the time zone. Just tap on it and tap on the region. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions, so simply find yours and tap on it. For example, this one, it will be immediately applied, and of course the time will also change according to the time zone. We can also change the time format. Currently we are using local default, so let's turn off this option, and now we can decide whether we want to use 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or 24-hour format just by tapping on this switcher, so it's up to you. And basically this is the whole manual customization of the date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.